Hello guys. So I am Aman this side. So I am gonna be 23 next month. So there are certain things that I wish that I knew when I was younger, and I really wish I knew those things. So I'm just gonna discuss three things that I really wish I knew when I was that age. First, about career, and it's about you selecting what stream you go and what further career things you choose for yourself. In that, I want to say ask yourself these two questions always before selecting these things. First, is it your thing to do? आई नो यार, इस उम्र में ना हम मेरे को जब मैंने नीट दिया था ना, मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि वो मेरी चीज़ है, बट वो सब सिर्फ सोसाइटी से इन्फ्लुएंस हुई बड़ी थी, और मेरे को लॉन्ग टर्म भी मैंने सोच नहीं रही थी. आई वॉज नॉट लुकिंग एट लॉन्ग टर्म थिंग्स. लाइक आपको अगर MBBS करना है, इज आर यू ओके विद दोज 10 years journey that you're gonna do, that studies, those residencies that gonna come up with it? So have a long term vision as well. Like, are you ready to be in that sequence of your life? Then definitely pursue it with all your heart. Warm wishes to you guys. But always question this: is this whatever I'm gonna select is really me, or is it influenced by society things? What is it? Or is it my family friends are doing it? Is it because of the society pressure? Is it, why am I taking this thing? It matters, yeah, it matters. It's your life. Where are you going? What direction you are going? Definitely we will explore the things on its journey, right? People MBBS करते हैं, फिर बाद में UPSC भी करते हैं, so they are great with it. So definitely that is a long term thing, but do take precautions. It's primary prevention that you can do for your own self. It's really great thing that you can you know put yourself into. Second is about relationships. Go for relationships only when you are ready to give your time to someone. Only when you are ready. And second is, these things will यार आगे भी आपको मिलती रहेंगी. So make sure you know your priorities, know what you wanna do, what are you ready to give your time to someone. And अगर आपको दे रहे हो, are you ready कि आप दोनों एक सेम लेवल पे हो और आप एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट कर सकते हो, और आप अपनी पढ़ाई पे भी उतना ही फोकस कर पा रहे हो. देयर आर पीपल हु हैव डन बोथ, एंड देयर आर पीपल हु हैव हु हैव अचीव्ड बोथ, हैव अचीव्ड अ ग्रेटर लेवल, बट दे आर पीपल हु जिनका दोनों ही नहीं, मतलब डाउन लेवल पे चले गए, या फिर एक बंदा ऊपर चला गया, दूसरा वहीं का वहीं रह गया. सो दैट मैटर्स, right? About relationships, go only when you know you can give time, only when you both are growing, only when you are both putting efforts into your career, and nothing is compromised in your life about your priorities. Third is building yourself physically, mentally is very important. Mental health is something that is very unaddressed topic, but these days it's going very popular, and I'm very happy about it. But all I wanna say is, यार, mental health का भी ध्यान रखो, right? Just have a checklist, like you are putting efforts. Like आप ना अपने आप को पॉजिटिव चीज़ें कहो यार, नॉट लाइक दैट आर रिलीजनिस्टिक, बट समथिंग दैट इज़ रियलिस्टिक, राइट? जैसे मेरे को कोई काम करना है, एंड मेरे को ऐसा फील हो रहा है यार मैं ये काम कर पाऊँगी कि नहीं. गिव योर सेल्फ द बूस्ट, यार करके देखते हैं, लेट्स डू इट. आइदर आई विल फेल, आइदर आई विल सक्सीड. बट वैसे तो यार फेलियर का कोई होता नहीं है, पता है, या तो आप सीखते हो ज़िंदगी में, या फिर आप जीतते हो. These two things happen: either you get what you want, or either you learn from it. There is nothing called failure कि वो fail हो गया. What is failure? You just learned from something that you have done, and doing the thing is experience itself, and it's most greatest thing that we can do. These were three things that I really want you guys to really think about and have self-awareness about. And furthermore, if you want some more content about it, just let yourself drop the comment down below. And yeah.